We left the hotel, jumped on the bus, heading somewhere special. Oh, anyway, tour guide instructor guy told us not to go in that one, so we're heading to the next one, which is apparently even better. Alright, here we go, the fun has begun. Look at here, this is where we're meant to jump. Woo! Can't wait, can't wait. Anyway, we just been diving off that little cliff thing. Amazing. Me and Raju keeping it 100. Whew.
I did the best one though, remember?
This guy did a backflip off it. Craziness, craziness.
Yeah. That's what I do, man, do you know what I mean?
You can tell by his athletic physique.
Check this out. Wow. I mean that is too good.
Oh my god!
Jeez.
Best waterfall in my life.
Oh, we just got to the biggest waterfall in North Africa. Check it out. I mean, wow. It's absolutely wonderful. Oh, the diving got me bad, man. Ear is killing. So just resting in the riad until the others come back. They're going out for a quick meal. I'm gonna rest. It's been a blast. Peace, love.